How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. Welcome back to another FreeCad tutorial. And in today, let's talk about on how we can slice or cut apart objects in the software right here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the part category. And in here, you want to click on the create primitives. And of course, you can adjust the primitive the way you want to. But to make sure that everything works perfectly, I'll make it as big as I can, maybe something like 100 with peak rate. In here, click create, and then of course, you want to click on the plane itself. Right click on it, and then you want to click on the transform option. But before you head over to that option, just click on model. In here, you will be able to see your plane. So you want to do the same thing, which is to just right click on it, click on transform, and then you want to make sure that it collides with your first object right here. So in my case, I'm going to be slicing it to the middle section. So of course, you can edit this the way you want to. Maybe you want to rotate it upwards. Of course, you can simply do that. But in here, you want to click on plane, click part, and then you want to make sure to just make this a solid part. So you want to do this for both the plane itself, which is once again inside the part option, convert to solid, and you want to do the same thing for the body. Click part and then click convert to solid. From there, you then want to select the body and then select plane, click part, and then we have the ability to select the split option, which is going to be this one. Click slice apart, and then we will have this two shapes slit or split in half right here. If you click on the exploded slice, we have the first half and we also have the second half. So let's just click on the transform button, and as you can see, we now have two parts of our original shape right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.